Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to discuss the latest rumors about Apple's new MacBook models. There's a lot of buzz around the upcoming MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iPad Pro models, which are expected to feature the new M4 and M5 chips. These advancements promise to bring significant improvements in performance and efficiency. In this video, we'll dive into the details of these new models and what you can expect from Apple's latest offerings. So, let's get started. Let's dive into the new models overview. Apple is set to release several new devices, including the MacBook Air, MacBook Pro, and iPad Pro. These models are expected to feature the latest M4 and M5 chips. The inclusion of these advanced processors promises significant performance improvements and greater efficiency, making these devices even more powerful and versatile than before. With these updates, Apple continues to push the boundaries of what their devices can achieve. Let's talk about the M4 MacBook Air. Apple is expected to release two models, a 13-inch and a 15-inch, both featuring the new M4 chipset. Despite these internal upgrades, the design of the M4 MacBook Air is anticipated to remain consistent with previous models. This means users can expect the same sleek, lightweight design they love, combined with the power and efficiency of the M4 chip. These improvements should make the new MacBook Air faster and more capable, perfect for both everyday use and more demanding tasks. Now, let's look at the M4 MacBook Pro. This model is rumored to come with three different chip options: the M4, M4 Pro, and M4 Max. These chips promise to deliver exceptional performance and efficiency. Interestingly, the design of the MacBook Pro is expected to remain unchanged. This means users will get the familiar, robust design, now powered by even more advanced technology. These enhancements should make the MacBook Pro a powerhouse for professional and creative tasks. Next up are the M5 chips. These are expected to be released in 2025, bringing further advancements in performance. Rumors suggest that the M5 chips will include AI upgrades and other enhancements, making them even more powerful and efficient. These upgrades could lead to significant improvements in processing speed and overall device performance, setting a new standard for Apple's devices. As for the release dates, the M4 MacBook Air models are expected to launch between March and June 2025. The M5 chips might be released around May or June 2025. These timelines give us an idea of when we can expect to see these new devices and experience their advanced capabilities. When it comes to pricing, the M4 MacBook Air is expected to start at $1,199. This price point makes it a competitive option for those looking to upgrade to a powerful and efficient laptop without breaking the bank. The combination of advanced features and an attractive price point makes the M4 MacBook Air a compelling choice. In conclusion, the upcoming Apple MacBook models are set to bring exciting new advancements with the M4 and M5 chips. From the high-performance M4 MacBook Air and MacBook Pro to the innovative M5 chips expected in 2025, there's a lot to look forward to. These new devices promise significant improvements in performance and efficiency, making them ideal for both everyday users and professionals. Let us know what you think about these rumors in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more updates on the latest tech.